Alright, I'm gonna do these jumbo smoke balls from Big. After the performance on the little ones, I'm not expecting a whole lot from these. In fact, I'm kind of afraid it might go boom. Anyway, let's jump right into it. I think these are old. The fuses are even taking a minute to light. I mean, it better last longer than those other ones. $8 a pack. Ugh. I mean, at least it's there, I guess. I don't know. I'm not too thrilled on those. I mean, yellow's yellow. It's not coming up too yellow on camera. I got a lot of bright light in the back, but this definitely is a yellow in person. It's coming up white on camera. Lasted a little bit longer than the purple. There's this final blue. Jesus Christ, it's spitting stuff out of there 10 feet high. That was cool. A little loud. It was cool. I don't know. I always like the neon ones. I mean, if you're going to buy them, buy these ones from these Sun's Fireworks if you see them in the store. I would not be buying those at all. Not traditional clay, they're gimmicking. But that's why I make these videos, so y'all know what not to do.